7 days, $0, and nothing but free AI tools. That was the challenge I set for myself. Could artificial intelligence genuinely help a complete beginner build a real, functioning online business from absolute scratch, with no money, no audience, and no experience? No paid tools, no shortcuts, no cheating, just free AI, a laptop, and 7 days. I documented everything, every step, every result, every failure, every win, and what happened by day 7 genuinely surprised me. This is the full story, and more importantly, this is your blueprint. Because everything I did, you can do too. Starting today. Let's get into it. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech, the channel where we cut through the hype and show you what AI can actually do in the real world. If you're new here, hit subscribe right now. We publish content like this every single week, and every video is built around one goal, giving you real, actionable value you can use immediately. All right, day by day, here's exactly what happened. Day 1, the first challenge, finding a business idea that could actually make money with zero investment. I opened Claude and typed one simple prompt. Give me 10 online business ideas that can be started with zero money, zero experience, and only free AI tools. Focus on ideas that can generate income within 30 days. Claude returned 10 ideas in under 10 seconds. I narrowed it down to 3 that felt most realistic. Number 1, an AI-powered newsletter. Build a free email list around a valuable niche topic, grow it with great content, and monetize through affiliate links. Number 2, a digital product store. Use AI to create and sell digital downloads, templates, guides, checklists on free platforms like Gumroad. Number 3, an AI content writing service. Offer written content to small businesses using AI to produce it, delivered through free platforms like Fiverr. After thinking it through, I chose option 2, a digital product store. Why? Because once a digital product is created, it sells forever. No client calls, no deadlines, no ongoing work, pure passive income potential. Day 1, done. Business model chosen. Research day. Before creating anything, I needed to know what people actually wanted to buy. I went back to Claude and asked, what digital products are people buying most on Gumroad and Etsy in 2026? Focus on products related to productivity, AI, and making money online. Claude came back with a clear answer. Notion templates and AI prompt packs were among the fastest growing digital product categories, with low competition and high buyer demand. That was my product decided. I would create and sell a Notion productivity template pack, a ready-made system for managing tasks, goals, and daily routines, targeted at freelancers, students, and remote workers. Then I went to Google Trends, completely free, and searched Notion templates and productivity templates. The search trend was consistently rising. Strong demand confirmed. Day 2, done. Product niche and idea validated. Day 3 was the biggest day, actually building the product. Here's where AI became genuinely remarkable. I opened Claude and gave it this prompt. I want to create a Notion productivity template pack to sell as a digital product. Design the complete structure for a 5-template pack that would be highly valuable for freelancers. Include the name of each template, the sections it should contain, and the key features that make it worth buying. In 45 seconds, Claude produced a complete product blueprint. 5 templates, fully structured. Template 1, the freelance dashboard. A central hub for tracking clients, projects, income, and deadlines all in one place. Template 2, the weekly planner. A structured 7-day planning system with priority ratings and time blocking. Template 3, the client tracker. A full CRM system for freelancers, tracking leads, proposals, contracts, and payments. Template 4, the goal setting system. A quarterly goal planner with weekly check-ins and progress tracking. Template 5, the content calendar. A complete content planning system for creators managing multiple platforms. I then went to Notion, completely free, and built each template by following Claude's blueprint exactly. No design experience needed. Notion's drag-and-drop interface made it straightforward. Total time to build all 5 templates, 4 hours. I then went back to Claude and asked it to write the product description, the sales copy, and the list of features and benefits for each template. Done in minutes. Day 3. Done. Full product built. Zero cost. Day 4. Setting up the store to sell the product. I chose Gumroad, completely free to use. Gumroad only takes a small percentage when you make a sale. No monthly fee, no upfront cost. I signed up, created my store, and set up the product listing using the sales copy Claude had written for me the day before. I priced the template pack at $17. Not too cheap that it looks low quality, not too expensive for an impulse buy. Then I went to Canva, free, and designed the product mock-up image. A clean, professional-looking preview of the Notion templates. Claude had given me the exact design brief. Dark background, clean typography, showing all 5 template names visually. Uploaded the Notion template files, wrote the checkout page description, added a money-back guarantee, which builds buyer trust and dramatically increases conversions. Store was live. Day 4, done. Business officially open. Day 5, the most important day of the experiment. Because a product with no marketing is invisible. I had zero budget for paid advertising, so I needed organic traffic, people finding the product for free. I asked Claude, give me a 7-day organic marketing plan to promote a $17 Notion template pack with zero budget. Include specific platforms, what to post, and how often. Claude returned a detailed plan covering 5 channels. Reddit. Post valuable content in communities like R Notion, R Productivity, and R Freelance. Don't spam the product link. Add value first, mention the product naturally in the comments when relevant. Pinterest. Create pin graphics showcasing the templates. Pinterest has massive search traffic for productivity, and Notion content and pins can drive traffic for months. Twitter and X. Post daily productivity tips, Notion hacks, and behind-the-scenes content about building the template pack. Use relevant hashtags. TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Create short videos showing the templates in action. Screen recordings of the Notion workspace with a text overlay explaining the features. Free Facebook groups. Join Productivity, Freelance, and Notion Facebook groups. Provide genuine value in discussions and mention the product when appropriate. I spent day 5 implementing the first wave of this plan, posting on Reddit, creating 5 Pinterest pins using Canva, and posting on Twitter. Day 5, done. Marketing engine started. Day 6, doubling down on content. I created 3 short-form videos using screen recordings of the Notion templates in action. No voiceover, just visuals with text overlay, created entirely in Canva's free video editor. Each video showed a different template in use: the freelance dashboard, the weekly planner, the client tracker, with a caption pointing to the Gumroad link in bio. I posted all 3 on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Then I wrote 2 detailed Reddit posts, one in R Notion about how I organize all my freelance work in one Notion system, and one in R Freelance about the productivity system that doubled my output as a freelancer. Both posts were genuine, valuable, long-form posts, not advertisements. At the bottom of each, I mentioned the template pack was available as a free resource and included the link. By the end of day 6, the Reddit posts had combined for over 3,400 views and 200 upvotes. Day 6, done. Organic traffic flowing. Day 7, the moment of truth. I opened Gumroad in the morning, and there it was. In 7 days, with zero investment, zero existing audience, and nothing but free AI tools and free platforms, the template pack had made 11 sales. 11 people had found the product, decided it was worth $17, and bought it. Total revenue, $187. Now I know what you're thinking. $187 is not life-changing money. And you're right. It isn't. But here's what $187 in 7 days actually represents. This is a proof of concept. A validated business. A product that has already proven people will pay for it. That Reddit post is still live, still getting views, still sending people to the store. Those Pinterest pins are still indexed, and Pinterest traffic compounds over months. Those YouTube Shorts are still on the platform, and could be found by thousands more people next week. The product is built, the store is live, the marketing is running, and from day 8 forward, every sale is pure profit on zero ongoing effort. That's not $187, that's a business. So what are the real lessons from this experiment? Lesson 1. AI completely eliminates the research and creation barrier. What used to take weeks of planning, research, and writing now takes hours. Claude produced the product blueprint, the sales copy, and the marketing plan in a combined total of under 30 minutes. Lesson 2. Free platforms are genuinely powerful. Gumroad, Canva, Notion, Reddit, Pinterest, TikTok. Every single tool used in this experiment was completely free. Lesson 3. The product matters more than the marketing. The template pack sold because it solved a real problem that real people have. AI helped identify that problem in minutes through research prompts. Lesson 4. Consistency beats perfection. Posting every day for 7 days, even imperfect content, generated more results than waiting to post something perfect. Lesson 5. Digital products are the most powerful income model for beginners. Build once. Sell forever. No inventory, no shipping, no client work. So there it is. 7 days. $0. One AI toolkit. And a functioning online business with real sales. Here's your challenge, and I mean this seriously. Pick one of these 5 digital product ideas and start today. Notion templates for your niche. AI prompt packs for a specific use case. Resume and CV templates. Social media caption template packs. Budget and finance tracker templates. Open Claude. Ask it to build the product blueprint. Open Canva. Open Gumroad. You have everything you need, right now, for free. The only thing that separates the person watching this video from the person who runs the experiment is the decision to start. Make that decision today. If this video gave you value, please give it a thumbs up. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who need this information. Drop a comment below telling me which digital product you're going to create first. I read every single comment and I personally reply to everyone. Subscribe to Tech Talk for AI business strategies, tools, and AMP. Experiments every week. Like if this video brought you value, share. With someone ready to start their first online business, hit the bell so you never miss an upload.